ẹ̀gbọ́n náà níbo ni ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad ló wá fẹ́ dé dúró báyìí ọ̀rọ̀ tí wàá fẹ́ dojú ṣúṣú báyìí o àwọn àgbà bọ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ ní tó bá ti dojú ṣúṣú fọ̀rọ̀ fẹ́ là nìyẹn o ẹ̀gbọ́n kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní corona inquest kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní corona inquest wọ́n ní àfàìmọ̀ kan máa da ọ̀rọ̀ lé bàbá Mohbad lórí o ṣó lè jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣá ṣó possible bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣá kí wọ́n da gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad kó dà lé bàbá Mohbad lórí how where báwo ló yìí fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ but ẹgbọ́n náà wọ́n ní gbogbo ìbéèrè tán béèrè lọ́wọ́ bàbá Mohbad wọ́n ní bàbá Mohbad kàn ṣe yes 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 ni lọ́yà bàbá Mohbad dé wà ń bẹ̀ kò dẹ̀ dìde kó ṣe objection and other people's lawyer tó bá béèrè question lọ́wọ́ wọn àwọn lọ́yà wọn á ṣe objection wọ́n ní lọ́yà bàbá Mohbad ò ṣe objection ó kàn jẹ́ kí bàbá Mohbad máa dáhùn gbogbo question tó ń bí bàbá Mohbad náà dẹ̀ ń ṣe yes 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 wọ́n láfa ìmọ̀ kó má da gbogbo ẹ̀bí justice lé bàbá Mohbad lórí o but èmi wò pé kò jẹ́jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kò jẹ́jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ bóyá lọ́yà ẹ̀ wò pé àwọn ìbéèrè tó ṣì ń bí léèrè yẹn bóyá lọ́yà ẹ̀ wò pé kó sì máa dáhùn pé kò tí ì contradict justice bóyá tó rẹ̀ ní lọ́yà ò ṣe ṣe objection but kó má dàbẹ́ ní pé èmi ni mò ń sọ kó má dàbẹ́ pé bóyá ó dùn lẹ́nu ti tèmi ẹ wá farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ lẹ́nu àrífà tú pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ kódà ó tún blame gbogbo wọn kò yẹ pé kò yọrọ ẹ̀ kúrò ó ní gbogbo àwọn táwọn wà nídìí justice yìí ó ní gbogbo àwọn náà wọn ti ṣe one or two things tó yẹ káwọn ṣe ó ní àfàìmọ̀ kí ẹlẹ́dàá Mohbad kó máa bí àwọn ṣe rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ kì í síbẹ̀ tó bá fi lè mú èèyàn kan kó máa sọ̀rọ̀ kó máa kó ara ẹ̀ mọ́ inú àwọn tó ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ pé àfàìmọ̀ kí ẹlẹ́dàá Mohbad kó máa jọ́ọ̀jì àwọn ṣe ti rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ kì í síbẹ̀ gbogbo ẹni olólùfẹ́ mi tó ń wò mí ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ó ṣeé ṣe kẹ́yìn kan ti gbọ́ o ṣé mo bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ nìyẹn ó ṣeé ṣe kẹ́yìn kan ti gbọ́ but fún àǹfààní àwọn tí wọn ò tí gbọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká share kó lè dọ́dọ̀ wọn káwọn náà lè mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní corona inquest ẹ bá mi share fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wo báwọn èèyàn ṣe ń subscribe náà ẹ̀yin náà ẹ join wa náà ẹ join ìdílé aláyọ̀ ẹ join good platform gbogbo ọjọ́ máa jẹ̀gbádùn ètò justice for Mohbad àti olóríṣiríṣi àwọn information kò ṣe justice for Mohbad nìkan oríṣiríṣi information tí wọ́n máa mú wá fún yín ká lè jọ máa jẹ̀gbádùn ẹ subscribe Sele Ele Global TV ó yá ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
Foul play suspected inside corona inquest, even with the lawyer wey Baba Mohbad carry. Hey guys, they plan to twist case for Baba Mohbad. They try to twist her. In fact, they be like saying na Baba they won't put for kirikiri. Since they happen, my people make una like and subscribe to this channel.
Wọ́n ní àfàìmọ̀ kó má jẹ́ pé Baba Mohbad.
There was no objection, nothing. I'm always at the corona inquest. Even when Darusha is saying something that is not his lawyer felt he should not, the man stood up. Objection, my lord. Even the stand down. My client is not supposed to answer this kind of question. The judge, the magistrate will say he has already answered. He has already answered. He has already answered. And according to Buki Jesse and other lawyers, you understand, take it or leave it. Whatever they wrap up at that corona inquest is what they are taking to any court. And if they are not saying the truth, whatever they present before the judge is what is going to work on.
Of course. Only.
The court might not give room for investigation now because you must have wrapped up the investigation before you bring it to the normal court. Police is doing their investigation. Corona inquest has done enough of investigation. That is why they conclude and bring everything to the court. Now, at the end of the day, over a year, going to 2 years, corona inquest, there is no direction.
Can you imagine?
Ẹni tá a bá sọ fún tó bá gbọ́, ẹni tá a bá sọ fún tó bá gbà, kí gbogbo wa lè rere jẹ.
Àbí o.
Kí gbogbo wa pátá ká lè rere jẹ. You understand? Ká lè rere jẹ ni. Because if we keep hiding the truth. We keep hiding the truth. Why? Because I don't want to offend this one. I want to be a friend to this one. I don't want this one to drag, and I don't want to abuse this one. At the end of the day, what Goodison said is the final truth. That late boy inside that mall will judge all of us. All of us involved in this case.
All
of us involved in this case. That boy laying down in the mall will judge us.
When I said Bossman should ask for forgiveness, you think I did not know what I was saying?
Not Bossman alone, no begging. All of us involved in this.
But you got our boy.
Either we do wrong or we did right. And God will judge all of us.
He know a lot. Oh no.
You understand? There are many people that have not hosts. The game they are playing under the ground are even worse than the hosts. In Correct will not be host now. And some people in the comment section are saying only the host. No! Correct will not be host. But the parts where Correct will not play for this movement, now they go so. Mr. Mo will not be host now. You know the games where they play behind closed doors. What are we talking about? What are we talking about?
Confirm. You don't have to be host to sabotage.
You don't need to be the host before you betray the movement. Even the hosts have lesser chance of betraying this movement. Why? Because there are some things you can't even come out to say. They will know, I hear it budget. People are hypersensitive here. People will pick immediately. They are using those that are not the hosts to even go against those that are hosts. And we were in vengeance. Above all their buying. Where were you when this whole issue started? It just came all of a sudden. Oh, sorry, that job is in it. Gbogbo àwọn jíde jíjọ gẹ́ràdé ibo ló wà.
Ó kì í síbẹ̀ o. Ó kì í síbẹ̀.
The point still remain the point. Sele say, Alpha brother, the fact still remain the fact. Tabako daba sọ, ó máa padà hot gbogbo wa lọ́la.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
I know the dragging just started. Arifa, deba drag mi ní sanra, mo ti rù. Ẹ start láti mi lọ. Drag Arifa kí n lè lérò létí. I am in your vein. I'm the blood that runs in your vein. You people cannot do without me. They live without Arifa. They survive without me. That is why whenever you on your platform, you get it. So I don't care about any of them because they know the truth. Most of them don't. The funniest part, most of them that are fighting, they are in the dark. They are just following the trend. You come for Baba, I come for you. You come for Baba, I come for you. They are in the dark. People like Ishak. Do you people think if Ishak have the knowledge of what has happened from the beginning in this movement, will Ishak come to Baba's platform to ask those intelligent questions? No, he dare not. He promised to ask 4 questions. He asked 3, they dropped in. Games, manipulations. Baba, is it true that you are aware that Mohbad bought a land in Liam's name? The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Baba said yes. Without explanation, Baba said yes. The man was shocked. Many people were shocked as well. Baba, is it true you were told to go up and pass through the backyard? Baba said yes. Baba, is it true you asked the lawyer that night for property, that same night when your son was being laid beside the staircase? Do you ask the lawyer about the property? Baba said yes. Alaye kilo shele. Instantly they drop them. Alaye o le wadi ko kan wa ma bi àwọn question tó máa kó bá wa bí báyìí náà.
Can you imagine?
Mo gbé o. Ó ti wọlé o. Mo gbé o.
Ẹ wo bí tí wọ́n ti ń béèrè question lọ́wọ́ bàbá. Gbogbo question tó ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ bàbá kàn ṣe yes. Ǹjẹ́ o mọ̀ pé Mohbad ó ralẹ̀ ní orúkọ Liam? Bàbá ṣe yes. Ǹjẹ́ ńgbà tó gbọ̀nà ẹ̀yìnkùlé wọlé tó sọ pé ó rẹ́jẹ̀ ṣé lóòótọ́ ni? Bàbá ṣe yes. Gbogbo question tó kàn béèrè lọ́wọ́ bàbá kàn sọ pé yes. Òun mo ṣe sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé bóyá lọ́ọ̀yà ẹ̀ kò rí question yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ bí question tó lè tarnish image justice. Bóyá ó sì rí pé normal question ni òun ló ṣe ní kí ó máa dáhùn. Wọ́n tún béèrè lọ́wọ́ bàbá pé gbàrà tí ọmọ ẹ jáde láyé tó o débẹ̀ ǹjẹ́ lóòótọ́ ló ń bi lọ́ọ̀yà ọmọ ẹ léèrè lórí property ọmọ ẹ? Bàbá ní yes. Ẹja máa gbọ́ lọ.
Something is not right. But èmi ò ní bá wọn jókòó àbòsí o. Whatever punishment you have in your hand, tó bẹ farifa carry on. Mi lówó mi lẹ́bi. But àwọn tí mo ní wọ́n ju owó.
Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ àárín yẹn dáadáa.
People like Ishak, do you people think if Ishak have the knowledge of what has happened from the beginning in this movement, will Ishak come to Baba's platform to ask those intelligent questions? No, he dare not. He promised to ask 4 questions. He asked 3, they dropped in. Games, manipulations.
First question, Magbo.
Baba, is it true that you are aware that Mohbad bought a land in Liam's name? The answer is yes.
Yes, bro.
The answer is yes. Baba said yes.
Second question.
Without explanation, Baba said yes. The man was shocked. Many people were shocked as well.
Yes, bro.
Baba, is it true you were told to go up when you passed through the backyard? Baba said yes. Baba, is it true you asked the lawyer that night for property, that same night when your son was being laid beside the staircase? Do you ask the lawyer about the property? Baba said yes. Alaye kilo shele. Instantly they dropped them. Alaye o le wadi ko kan wa ma bi àwọn question tó máa kó bá wa bí báyìí náà.
Wọ́n jẹ́ kó béèrè kẹrin. Wọ́n jẹ́ kó béèrè number 4 question. Kó tó drop ẹ̀. Ṣètìlẹ̀.
Something is not right. But èmi ò ní bá wọn jókòó àbòsí o. Whatever punishment you have in your hand, tó bẹ farifa carry on. Mi lówó mi lẹ́bi. But àwọn tí mo ní wọ́n ju owó lọ. When I was arrested, the corona inquest day, and their pledge was tarifa Beruma Wadi Monday. Riro need ènìyàn kíkẹ́ ní tọ́lọ́ náà. Man proposes, God disposes. Yes. Wọ́n ṣe wù wọ́n ni, ó wù wọ́n ni kò wù ẹlẹ́dàá wọn. Toró àwọn ló wù kò wù Ọlọ́run. Mo tún sọnù lé mi náà. You understand? So, kò kàn mí lọ́wọ́ kò kàn mí lẹ́sẹ̀. But immediately I part way with them. If I need problem, and I'm not scared. Aláyé ẹ pariwo mi jàre, òkìkí tí mo ní iyọ̀ ìtò òwe Èdùmàrè. Báwa mi sí iye Èdùmàrè. Àrífà, Bossman, we need to settle Abuja stuff tonight. Bossman, please come up. We need to settle Abuja. I'm still waiting for him to send request. I'm waiting for Bossman to send request. Àrífà, àníyàn. Ọmọ ẹkú, ọmọ ẹkú. Ó lásìdẹ́ntì. Wow, Bossman, welcome back. Ó ṣòṣèlú. ó gba contract, ó gba contract. Arifa ti lọ sí Berlin, kò rí Berlin. Ó lọ sẹ́wọ̀n, kò lọ sẹ́wọ̀n. Ó gba doctorate, kò gba doctorate. Ó kówó justice fún Mohbad, kò kówó justice fún Mohbad. Arifa jọ jẹ́ kí
wàhálà wà o. Níbo ni justice yìí ń lọ báyìí o?
Anyway, Baba, we are bound to make mistakes. Each and every one of us will teach in one or two ways. Do you understand? Nobody should attack anybody for doing one or two things. No. The main thing is, do we have the courage? I'm coming, boss. Do we have the courage to confess our mistake to the world? It takes a man act to do so. It takes a man act to do so. For you to feel free tonight to say all these things, I even took part in this. Come on, you are a man. You are a man. Baba, I fought for you. You can drop my mind for you. Carry on.
All my visitors, gifts, boss man, were very appreciated. I don't need any gift to Beck. Now, if I want to say something today, I can't remember. Was it last year or early this year? I can't remember which of it. I decided on my own to go to Olurebi's platform. I know that the platform does not favor me. There are more of the lovers of Westwood up there.
Bossman ló sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn o. Òun náà tú àṣírí díẹ̀ o.
There's something that actually happens on this TikTok that you like it or not, it's the truth. We have a lot of uneducated people right there. People, because you have everyone they have fans. I mean, they have hosts, a particular host that they actually fall in love with, and they don't want to care. They don't care if the host is right or wrong. They want blindly. They're going to support the person. You know how long we actually fought over the issue of spending matter, where people do not even know the coding and the real issue that happened. They're all back. Everyone right here. Back in West too. Despite the fact that they did not know. And I keep saying something. If I say anything, I want to be on the same platform with West too. And I remember that we went to Tenemologo's platform one day, and they said, they don't want to talk, they don't want to speak with a masquerade, they want Bossman to unmask. But West came to me and get all these things. He came to speak with the masquerade.
Sele is masquerade. We are talking about Sele and Arifa. You remember Arifa now? It's Sele now. Not you.
Yeah. So, you know, and I also went to Olurebi's platform the other day. They came to attack me there now. Me that came up there, I know the reason why I came up there. And, you know, there's one man there that came there, and some people up there saw what I was saying. They said, because that time they were talking about, is it JK International and all stuff like that. And I said that, okay, well, the topic that you guys are talking today is different from what I came up to say, because let me just come down and then let me talk about something else. I will come another day when you guys are talking about justice for Mohbad. I guess they read my comment section. They read my comment on the comment section, and they say I should come. I said I should talk. I said, are you sure I should talk? Because whatever I'm going to say is going to divide you. You're going to derail from whatever you guys are talking about, because I am here to talk about justice for Mohbad. The thing is, the truth is this: if you want to talk, some do not want to listen to you because they're not your favorite, and I don't give a shit about that. All right. Like some of these things are the things that supposed to have come a long time ago, but that people were ready to listen up to it. No. People do not know. I mean, a mention that comment will say is on the comment section. Do not know that it was because of we heard that money was being spent. Mom Lighton is here in the comment section here. We were talking, we had some money. Mom Lighton, they don't spend money. Immediately we heard about the money on the GoFundMe. Everything came out. Booking came out. Because I was like, nobody was aware of the money. road. The GoFundMe has not released the GoFundMe to you people. We never knew that they've already started touching the GoFundMe. And okay, why? If we have money in the GoFundMe and they release the money, so why are people donating money into the access account? Miracle answer that question. Myself, people do not know the problem that is here. When we try to solve the problem, then here comes the issue. I have a reason when Bukisa was saying that the Muslim people do not know the game that's been played behind it. See? And I told Baba Mohbad, when you are ready to get yourself out of this equation, you will be the one to carry yourself out of this equation because we have people that's going to help you out until you are ready to help yourself. Arifa, let me tell you something today. Do you know how much Mohbad is making? I know 4 people that give Baba Mohbad millions.
Millions.
Forget about the TikTok amounts that money that you are getting, that is getting on this whatever. Every month, at least one of these 4 people gives him money. Now let me break this thing down. Do you know the first PE that Baba Mohbad got?
PE.
That guy was there when they were exhuming Mohbad. He and Blessing. I was asking Mr. Miwa and Baba Mohbad, why don't you go back to Blessing? There's some information with Blessings. You know, so your daughter Blessing. You need to settle whatever rift you have with her so that you guys can come together and some information that she will share it with you. That was back then. I got an information that PA was there with Blessing, and the police that came to exhume the body told them, take pictures of this body. They have pictures with them to date. But I'm about to Blessing, they've not spoken. That is they are speaking behind me, but according to my knowledge, they are not speaking. Maybe they started speaking maybe 2 months ago or 4 months ago. I don't know. Now, why would you want to settle? Why wouldn't you want to settle the way between you and your daughter? Especially when you hear that time on One Whisper platform, I said Ojuro Donde. Ojuro Donde right from the beginning of the exhumation of Mohbad. And I've been talking about that. Ojuro Donde. All this time, I was screaming on my platform. And I was speaking the truth until when Miwa came and said that, no, I shouldn't talk about that. Then, I later found out that PA guy and Blessing, they told them to take picture of the body of Mohbad when they were examining the body. They actually called them. Now, that PA of Mohbad went. That PA of Mohbad went with pictures and went with Mohbad's money. At least, if it's not up to $1 million or over $1 million. I told them that when I first gave Mohbad, I said, there is someone in your house, especially your PA, and they are using your PA to get information from you. That was being planted there. Your PA has that body because your PA is also talking to a lot of people that he's supposed to be talking to. And I said there's a particular money that was sent to you in millions. The guy did not let the money to reach you. Fix people.
Àwọn àgbàbọ̀ wọn ní nítorí kí àwíjàre kí tó ń tọ́ lẹ́nu. Mo rò pé ti gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu bọ́sùpà náà. Bó náà ṣe tú àṣírí bàbá Mohbad. Ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ gan bọ̀ tí n bá ní kí n máa play fún yín, máa waste time yín. But àti rí kókó ọ̀rọ̀ dìmú lórí bí wọ́n ṣe interrogate bàbá Mohbad nínú court tó kàn ṣe yes but lójú ti tèmi èmi wò wípé bóyá question yẹn kò tí ì bọ̀rọ̀ jẹ́ ni kò jẹ́ kí lọ́ọ̀yà Shittu dìde láti sọ pé objection my lord but wọ́n jẹ́ kó máa yí wa pé ńgbà tí Darosha ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó béèrè question tí ò yẹ kó béèrè lọ́ọ̀yà dìde ó ṣe objection my lord kí náà ń pè bẹ́yẹn ẹjọ́ ṣé bàbá Mohbad ti compromise ni èmi ò mọ̀ ohun ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi ẹ bá mi fi ọkàn tí yín hàn lábẹ́ comment section torí tí náà ni mo ṣe mú information yìí wá inú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ gbọ́ yẹn sì kí lẹ́yìn rò kó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn ṣé bàbá Mohbad ṣì wà on track àbí bàbá Mohbad ti compromise àbí àwọn àti lọ́ọ̀yà wọ́n sì mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe tí n bá sọ pé ó yé mi ìrọ́ lè mi pa kí lẹ́yìn rò sí kí lè rọkàn yín ẹ bá mi fi ọkàn yín hàn lábẹ́ comment section fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti subscribe ẹ bá mi subscribe gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti subscribe mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín inú ò ní tọ́wọ́ yín abudintolókun abudintolọ́sà ọwọ́ yóò ní kọ́sàlẹ̀ àpò ṣé wàá rọwọ́ tẹ wàá fi ń tẹ subscribe yẹn ẹ ò ní fi gbọ́mọ sí lágbára Èdùmàrè owó lẹ́ẹ̀ máa fi kà tó bá tún rí ẹni information tó bá rí kó máa wúlò fẹ́yìn lólùfẹ́ mi ò ní hesitate láti mú wa mo tún padà bọ̀ ire o.